Hi my friends, Sam Villa here, Redken's Global Artistic Ambassador. Today I want to share with you a really simple technique working with a diffuser to enhance curl. That's right, enhance curl. So let's get started. Diffuser is one of my favorite tools to work with, but there's some real good fundamentals that we have to understand when working with a diffuser. I'm going to work with a finger diffuser that has all of the fingers inside the diffuser, and you'll see why this is going to be critical with the technique I'm going to share with you. Secondly, this is the Artist Series blow dryer that I'm working with, and it comes with the diffuser and with two different nozzles. Artist Series blow dryer, it is an awesome blow dryer, and it is an AC motor that we're working with. So now let's go through with the diffuser, and then watch how I'm going to take a section, and I'm just going to work on the side area here. Okay. And as you can see, I've already gone through and diffused, but I want to show you the technique. So normally what I would do is leave the diffuser in the dryer, and I would pick this up and just diffuse against gravity. This season, what I want to do is when I want to enhance more curl, I'm going to come through, take the section I'm going to work with, I'm going to drop it inside the diffuser without the blow dryer being hooked to it. Now that's going to allow me to softly spin the diffuser so that what I'm getting is I'm getting the hair to kind of intertwine between the fingers. So I'm going to encourage more movement by simply doing this. Now I'm going to encourage you to keep this on low speed so that what you're doing is you're not going in and turning this on high. Why? Because of how close the diffuser is. So I want to go through, and I just want to work that back and away from her face. Now the diffuser goes on. So now I'm on low speed, high heat. I let the diffuser do the work. Now watch when I release this, watch the coiled effect that I'm going to have with this when I just simply start to release that. Look at how that hair is intertwined inside of itself. Allow that to leave on its own. Don't bother that yet. Go to another section. I'm just allowing that to cool down, and then when it's cooled down, after I completed the head, I'll come back and just start to separate that. Let's move to another section so you can see how this works again. And now remember, great technique when I want to enhance the curl. So let's pretend 1 is straight, 10 is kinky curl, and I'm maybe working with a 2. So if I'm working with a 2 and I want to get more movement out of it and more curl out of it, then you're simply going to come in with this particular technique. Drop the hair into the diffuser. It's awesome on long hair. Come through, start to rotate the diffuser as you lift, so that what you're doing is you're encouraging that hair to intertwine itself in the fingers. Once I'm here, take your blow dryer, attached, and once again, low speed, high heat. Now if I just start to get a little bit too hot, just start to tilt the hair dryer, the diffuser away from the scalp and more at a diagonal. Let the diffuser work for you, and watch this section again. So Sam, when do I touch the hair? Well, you got to find out if it's dry, and once it's dry, release. Now look at these sections, how much curl I've been able to get out of those in terms of what we've done. Take a look. You can just see the difference there in terms of that. So wow, now I'm going to come through, and now I'm just going to lift and not necessarily pull, but just lift and let the volume and the curl just start to work for me. And now you can start to see on this side the effect that we're getting by going in and just working with that diffuser just to go through and encourage a little bit more volume, a little bit more definition of curl. And once again, simply working with our Artist Series diffuser and our Artist Series dryer, taking the diffuser off, and once again, dropping the hair inside of it. As you elevate up, just start to spin. Now attach your dryer. You're going to get a lot more curl, a lot more undulation, and enhance the volume. At Sam Villa, we're about making hairdressers better hairdressers, and we believe in doing that through the process of education. And we will continue to bring you education. Thanks for watching.